and a contract duration of 219 calendar days. Again, we have two interested bidders in the name of PJMJB Construction and Supply, Martin Development Corporation under JB 24-16394 ID number, and RCD General Contractor and Construction Supply. So based on the result of the electronic contract profile processing for legal aspects for the joint venture BJMJB Construction and Supply, Martin Development Corporation, legal aspects, all pass. For RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply, for the legal aspects, all pass. And for the technical and financial aspects of the joint venture BJMJB Construction and Supply, Martin Development Corporation, all pass. For RCB General Contractor and Construction Supply, for the technical and financial aspects, again, all pass. So with this, may I again request our support group to please open the submitted technical proposal envelope of the two interested bidders simultaneously, conduct the preliminary initial evaluation, and bid the contents.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead and make it possible.
Witness the technical component of RCD General Contractor and Construction Supply. Based on our initial evaluation, all the required documents are attached. including the PhilJobs registration with platinum membership, valid until June 15, 2025. Also with bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, signed, sealed, and notarized. And the omnibus statement indicating the correct contract ID number and contract name, signed, sealed, and notarized. For that, City General Contractor and Construction Supply is compliant.
Okay, next.
Okay, next is the technical proposal of Martin Development Corporation and BJ MJB Construction and Supply joint venture. First, PhilJobs of Martin Development Corporation, valid until July 2, 2025. And the PhilJobs of BJ MJB Construction and Supply, valid until November 15, 2025. He attached also special contract license with special license number JB-24-16394, and with the Sir Ephraim John P. Martin is the authorized managing officer, signed. He attached also bid securing declaration indicating correct contract ID and correct contract name, signed, sealed, and notarized. He also attached omnibus sum statement indicating the correct contract ID and the correct contract name, signed, sealed, and notarized. Likewise, he attached also joint venture agreement, signed, sealed, and notarized. So with that, Martin Development Corporation and BJMJB Construction and Supply joint venture is compliant.
Okay, thank you. So, finding the two interested bidders to be compliant under submitted technical proposal envelope, and therefore they are eligible to open for the financial proposal envelope. So, please conduct the initial evaluation and read the contents simultaneously.
Madam Chair, may I proceed?
Okay, please go ahead.
Again, may I read to you the financial proposal of Martin Development Corporation and BJMJB Construction and Supply joint venture. First, bid form, signed. Summary of bid prices, signed. Summary of unit prices, signed. Bill of quantities, signed. detailed estimates, signed cash flow by quarter, indicating contract duration of 219, signed. And the bid offer of Martin Development Corporation and BJMJB Construction and Supply joint venture amounting to 48,509,991 pesos and 31 centavos. I repeat, 48,509,991 pesos and 31 centavos. With the one